And hello again, everyone. So last video we were actually talking about how to quickly so-called quickly reverse engineer some of the Python dump files and get a new class. So we are going to continue our class development, and hopefully we can get all the basics of constructing a cylinder into a class so that it's nicely packaged. Okay, so I'm reopening Salome and we have our Python console. I'm going to import our link git work directory. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the relevant folder, which will be under video scripts. And then I have this live demo cylinder class.py. All right, so what do I have here? Okay, so I'm going to go in live demo cylinder class.py. Oh, in fact, I want to vim2 files. Live demo cylinder class.py and mesh and export python dump py. Okay, so I have a mesh builder class over here, and it's just basically getting started. It's not going to print anything. So the way to do it is right from live demo cylinder class import mesh builder. So I'll just say cylinder object equals to mesh builder with the two brackets, and that's it. Now, okay, so there's literally nothing printed. Okay, there's literally nothing printed. So yeah, what can we do here? We can actually, sort of edit some files to like maybe print in some code so that we know it's working. At least give us some indication that it's working. So I can just make a new class called dev print intro. Just put a self here. So I just print what cylinder object mesh builder class initiated. Okay, and not only that, I just want to print a few extra lines as well, some spacing here and there to make it look nice. Okay, just print a space here, and I'll just save. Now, let's say I want to sort of reload this, right? From live demo cylinder class import mesh builder. I want to redo the cylinder object equals to mesh builder. Okay, so let's try to see if there's a print intro thing. Print intro. Okay, it'll say that there's no attribute or object or print intro. Okay, so why isn't this loaded? So normally what you have to do, okay, this is a very crude way of doing it. Close Salome, and you have to, let me go to the next file, just quit. Yeah, go back to Salome. So 1, 2, 3, 4 layers, and you have to restart it. Okay, it's a very, very crude way of doing it. Don't like it. So I have to import the link git work directory. Then I have to import from cylinder live demo cylinder class import mesh builder. Then what do I have to do? Cylinder object equals mesh builder. Then I can do something called print intro. Okay, so it will say what? Cylinder object mesh builder class init. Not the most friendly of ways, but it works. Okay, it works, but it's extremely inconvenient. Okay, is there a simpler way to do this? Answer is yes. Okay, it's called reload. And if you look at the Stack Overflow, this is where we can see some example code. It says from import library import reload, import at full is your whatever file that you want to load. Then it says here while true, if it's changed full equals to reload of the full. So so how does the syntax work for, let's say, a parent object? you need to, for example, over here, you need to reload this again from link git work directory. Oh, okay, I need to import this first. Then I need to import. Okay, usually if you want to just import a class, you will say from live demo cylinder class import mesh builder. Okay, so this is how you normally do it. Then if you want to reload, what do you do? Okay, the correct syntax, as you will see here, you need to import. You don't import one specific class or one specific function. You import the whole file. So the right thing to do, okay, the right thing to do, or the correct method, is to just import live demo cylinder class. Then okay, if you want to reload it, you have to import, okay, or from import library import reload. So this is a very important line of code. And then if I want to reload the live demo cylinder class, you have to do this, reload live demo cylinder class, and then I'll have to copy this line and paste it here, and then I have to declare the object again. So mesh cylinder object equals to mesh builder. This is the proper way to reload. So let's see how we can do it. Clear. So vim thin pipe flow snappy hex mesh intermediate plus salome, and let's go to video scripts and let's do the live demo cylinder class.py. Let's say I'll give you a demonstration. Let's say we want to so-called update some of the aesthetics. So I'll just put a lot of equal signs on top. All right, a lot of equal signs on top, and then copy and paste, yank and paste it here. All right, gives it a little bit more style. Okay, so what do we need to do? Okay, we'll need to do the same things again. Reload this thing, live demo cylinder class, and then from live demo cylinder class import mesh builder, and then I'll need to redeclare the object, and then cylinder object dot print intro. Then you will have these equal signs. Now that can save you some effort, but yeah, I mean, you saw how many lines of code. It's actually like, I don't know, it's like 5 lines of code you need to retype every time. It's a very painful process. Is there a way to lessen the pain? The answer is yes, again with the use of classes. So if you want, you can actually automate this import live demo cylinder class or whatever, right? You can actually get do all this through a class or a function, but I find that class and objects tend to kind of work better. So how am I going to do this? Yeah, this the thing is, yeah, we just have to like start making a class first. So I will not give this long line of hashtags. So let's do a class called workspace, because I'm literally just trying to load things into the workspace. Nothing much here. So again, I'll have a init constructor file, and then print loading workspace, something like that. Yeah, loading workspace. Okay, it's just a filler kind of thing. You can actually do something else, but this is what I do. And then what? I want to write import modules, because that's what we'll do. We'll need to what did we need to do? From import library import reload, right? From import library import reload, and then of course I like to do this self.reload equals to reload, like load it into the object. Okay, what's next? Okay, I want to load the cylinder class, right? So want to get this class to load the cylinder class. So what do? Okay, I'll need to do the same, type exactly the same things here. I will need to import this file. Okay, import live demo cylinder class, which is this entire thing over here. This is live demo cylinder class. And what do? Okay, so I can of course do self.live demo cylinder class equals live demo cylinder class. And then what do? I can import my mesh builder from live demo cylinder class import mesh builder. Okay, and then of course I'll load it into the object again. It's my habit now. Self.mesh builder equals to mesh builder. So these are all the things I want to load into the object. So you can see, maybe I'll just I'll do a spacing so that it's like easier. So this one is what I'm importing the reload function. Okay. Okay, then this one is importing the live demo cylinder class. Okay. And then of course the last one is to import the mesh builder class. No, live demo cylinder class, I would say not class but Python module. Yeah, I think it's a module. It's a custom module. Okay, so okay, so that's it. I can just do self.import modules right here. That will just start things up. And what happens? Let's say I want to reload the class. What am I supposed to do? Def reload modules. Okay, so I'll just call reload equals to self.reload. Okay, reload equals to self.reload. And what do I want to do with that? Okay, the self reload, the purpose of it is to just to make the code look nicer, so that anyway, so this function reload here is defined as self.reload. Self.reload is this reload from here, so it all works out. Okay, it all works out. Okay, let's see. After you do reload, what are you supposed to do? Okay, I want to reload live demo cylinder class. Not only do I want to do that, I just want to copy this line again. Oops. Let me do a visual yank and paste here. So what am I doing? I'm reloading the live demo cylinder class, and then I am redefining this live demo cylinder class using the reloaded version of live demo cylinder class. Then I'm also importing the mesh builder, or rather live demo cylinder file, that class from this excuse me. Yeah, I'm importing this live demo cylinder class file or module. I should call it module, not a class. So yeah, this thing here is actually a module. So the name's kind of confusing, but okay. Hope it's not too bad. Okay. So this live demo cylinder class file has this mesh builder class. And I'll say the new self.mesh builder equals to mesh builder. So that's what the reloading modules does. Okay, so this will save you some good lines of typing for sure. So the trick is this, that we load the workspace class only once, and then the workspace class will help us reload the module time and time again as we need. Okay, so well, what do we want at the end of the day? We actually want to declare objects, right? Or load objects. So let's do a get. Okay, let's do a get. We want to get an object, right? So we want to get cylinder object. Okay, just want to get a cylinder object. So what are we doing here? Cylinder object equals to self.mesh builder. Okay, so I'm taking the self.mesh builder. I'm taking the cylinder object. Not only that, I want to kind of automate things, right? So whenever I get this cylinder object, I want it to, refresh it for myself automatically. So what do? Very simple. Okay. Self.reload modules. So this code will be run every time I use this get cylinder object function. And after that, I'll declare the object saying this is cylinder object, and it will be self.mesh builder. Okay, and once I'm done, I can just return the cylinder object. Yeah, it makes it very nice and neat. So I can import this workspace class, and I can just use this to reload the modules automatically every time. Okay, so yeah, so let's try this out. I will use from live demo cylinder class, from live demo cylinder class import workspace. Okay, so they'll say, oh, we don't know what this is. That means what? The Python has not actually read this file, so we need to reload the live demo cylinder class file. Reload. So I'm going to copy and paste, and then I'll say from this file, I need to import workspace. So workspace object equals to workspace. Okay. So from the workspace object, what do I want? I'll say cylinder object equals to workspace object dot get cylinder object. Okay, so that's the function over here, which will help me to just reload the thing every time. I only need to declare this thing once, and that's it. It's the live demo cylinder class. Okay, it says what? Name live demo cylinder class is not defined. Okay. So where is our thing? So get cylinder object. Okay, we'll need to do some debugging, and I guess we'll be more or less done. Okay, from live demo cylinder class. Where's this live demo cylinder class not defined? It's line 121, which is here. Okay, reload modules. So reload modules isn't working well, so line 111. So this is live 111. Ah, okay. So well, live demo cylinder class is this one. Yes, so this live demo cylinder class is not defined. So we should put the self.live demo cylinder class here. Okay, I hope this works. Okay, so it's just reloading this self.live demo cylinder class, and then I'll just put it like that. Self.live demo cylinder class import. Why am I doing that? Because the first time I told this reload modules function to reload the live demo cylinder class. Well, we have not defined what live demo cylinder class is. We only defined it over here, and it will only stick around because of this self instance. Okay, we need this self prefix. Okay, so that's part of object-oriented programming. So let's try one more time. Reload live demo cylinder class. I will get the workspace class in, and I'll declare the workspace object. And let's return. Let's get ourselves this cylinder object. And then it say no module named self. Okay, let me just quickly get ahead. I'll show you the right code because it's gonna take a while. Okay, I think it should work about right now. It says there's no module named self, so we cannot import self.liveDemoCylinder class as we've seen before. If not, I think Python will look for a file that is named self.load.liveDemoCylinder class. So that doesn't exist. All right, so hopefully this thing will work. Okay, from liveDemoCylinder class import workspace. From a workspace object equals to workspace. And this should be the last time I need to deal with it. So the cylinder object can be returned. There you go. The cylinder object is returned. Cylinder object.print intro. Okay, so let's just do one more line just to check whether this thing's working. Let's do one more printing line. Now I just put a lot of percentage signs here. They call it the ampersand or modular sign. So I want this percentage sign here. Okay. So all I need to do now is just to use the workspace object to get the cylinder object again. So that will load a fresh instance of this cylinder object and cylinder object.print intro. Look, it loads up so quickly. So yeah, you can see that having this workspace object will help you to get over the headache of closing, opening, typing 4 lines of code over and over again. Hopefully it makes your life easier when you do Python in this workspace, in the Salome workspace. It's a bit restrictive, but it is what it is. There are ways to get around it. So I'll stop for now. It's not actually Python, not actually Salome coding, but you notice that you will need to change the code again and again, and all you need to do is just to use this code to help you reload all the classes appropriately. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'll see you again. Bye bye.